This is Smart Patch, an American-made, revolutionary adhesive repair product constructed from extremely durable fiberglass, reinforced with polyester and plastic. Designed to create a permanent bond, Smart Patch adheres to almost any surface and cures so solid that it can be drilled, tapped, sanded, and painted. Tifco Smart Patch is now offered in a 1" by 3" size, designed specifically for automotive bumper tab and small plastic component repairs. It is also ideal where precision, strength, and ease of application are critical. The smaller size makes it ideal for reinforcing broken bumper tabs, mounting points, and other plastic repairs with less waste. To use Smart Patch, open the silver envelope and remove a single patch. Trim the patch if needed to match the size and shape of the damaged area. Remove the white backing to expose an adhesive resin. Then apply the Smart Patch directly to the damaged area. Press firmly, especially along the edges, to ensure full contact and a strong bond. Then, cure the Smart Patch by exposing it to sunlight, approximately 5 minutes in bright sunlight or 50 minutes in cloudy conditions. For indoor or nighttime applications, a UV light, such as Tifco part number 7952, can be used to cure the patch. Smart Patch will not shrink or expand during curing, meaning that the patch stays exactly where it is placed. Once cured, the patch can be drilled to insert retainers, Christmas trees, or other fasteners. If painting, remove the transparent plastic layer after curing. Any unused portion of the patches can be placed back into the silver envelope for later use. Be sure the envelope is fully sealed and protected from light. Because Smart Patch is flexible, it conforms to curved and irregular surfaces, making it ideal for bumper covers and plastic tabs. It bonds well to aged and even lightly rusted surfaces. It is waterproof, weather resistant, UV resistant, and resistant to many chemicals, solvents, and oils. Smart Patch operates in temperatures from -40 to 390 degrees Fahrenheit and has a pressure rating of up to 500 psi. With its convenient size and strong permanent bond, the Smart Patch offers a fast, clean, and reliable solution for bumper tab repairs. No tools, no mess, and professional grade results. Tifco part number 8843 is for a pack of 12 1" by 3" Smart Patches.